Writing code from scratch takes hours, and hiring a developer just to build one internal tool is expensive and slow. Claude Code lets you describe what you want in plain English and watch it build the actual working files for you. By the end of this video, you will have a real workflow you can use today. Claude Code runs in your terminal as a command line tool. Open your terminal, navigate to the folder where you want your project to live, and type the command to launch Claude Code. This is your coding copilot. It reads your file system, writes code, and runs commands directly in that folder. Start with a clear, specific description of what you want to build. For example, build a simple expense tracker web app with a form to enter amount, category, and date, plus a summary table below. The more context you give, like who will use it and what problem it solves, the better the output. Before Claude Code writes a single file, it shows you its plan, the files it intends to create and the steps it will take. Always read this before approving. This is your chance to catch a misunderstanding early, before any code is written or files are changed. Once you approve the plan, Claude Code gets to work. It creates each file, writes the code, and installs any dependencies it needs, all without you typing a single line. You can watch the progress right in your terminal as each piece comes together. When it finishes, Claude Code tells you exactly how to run your project locally. Open it in your browser and test every feature, submit a form entry, check the table updates, look for anything broken or off. Always verify the output yourself before sharing it with anyone or putting it to real use. Need to change something? Just say so in plain English. Type your revision request directly in the terminal, add a delete button, change the color scheme, add an export to CSV button. Claude Code reads the existing files it created and makes targeted edits without rewriting everything from scratch. If you want to understand what was built, or need to hand it off to someone, ask Claude Code to explain any part of the code in plain English. This is a huge advantage for non-technical professionals who need to own and maintain what they build without depending on a developer to translate. Claude Code does not carry memory between sessions by default. A smart habit is to keep a brief notes file, many people name it Claude.md, in your project folder. Jot down what the project is, decisions you made, and what still needs work so you can pick up right where you left off next time. Claude Code turns a plain English idea into real, working files, no syntax required. The key is a clear description, reviewing the plan before it builds, and always testing the result yourself. Try it on a tool or automation you have been putting off, you might ship it before lunch.